Hi, good morning all. This is SK. I hope you all had great yesterday with ending up in green. I did okay. Let's do the recap yesterday what we had here. Uh, the S&P was trading in a very tight channel most of the day yesterday. And if you guys have seen or followed me on my Twitter account, I mentioned over there that market bounce soon, S&P buying missing. This has a very important meaning here. What was happening yesterday was about in this area uh, uh, when we saw this kind of a bounce which really attract a lot of bulls, and they end up in little losses because they have to sell their positions around this area. I was not trading at that time. One of my co-trader friends, he's a pro trader. I discuss most of my days with him, so we just discuss few things, and that's the picture most of the traders got over here, that this bounce is coming and they bought and they sold it here. So actually what happened here was, in this area, let me just in this area here, sellers had already given up. One push, two push. After this second push, third push, okay, we can say that, but this is not a push though. A second push, we should have resumed the bull trend, and there were chances that we can see the leg up. But what happened here? There is not enough selling pressure. That's why all this major trend, if we see, it was in a tight channel where the selling pressure is not there and buying pressure is not there as well. So what does this tell us? That means the buyers, the bulls, the smart money, the institutions, they are not still thinking that this is the bargain price. Why they don't think so? As we see on our left side here, you know this thing here, this thing was very climatic the other day. Like bulls were very sure, they bought here, they bought here. Like at the end, when they see they are not getting their breakout about 194 90ish, they are not getting their breakout, so they sold it. So right now they will be waiting for a right base, right bottom, or a good, a good bargain price, so that they can re-enter the market, and they can get some good gains out of it. So yesterday the selling stopped around this area, about the target price. Selling stopped, but still the buying was not there. So that's the reason why we didn't see any bounce, like yesterday. But today, if we see the 60-minute chart, somebody asked me yesterday that how do I come with 188.50 and as a target price, and it closed around that, and it's right now pre-market, it's about that price as well. We have to go to 60-minute chart for that. If you see here, 60-minute chart, when we saw this great fall, very bad fall, the bounce happened about on uh, uh, August 26th. The bounce happened from this area, 188 50. So we have to see these are minor supports, like where the bulls can activate, where the bulls computers can activate, and they can give us next leg up. So today I'm looking for a kind of a bounce. But if I go to daily chart, that's something, like we really all need to understand. Daily chart is in a trading range right now. Our final target would be 181, or we can also get 173 if it is very, very climatic. Over here, if you see, the bear action is so strong. There is no buying. It's like selling like anything. So right now, in the morning, we can see some kind of a sell-off and then bounce from there. 186 is the price where 187 is the price where we can see some bounce, 187 or 7ish or something like that. Or uh, we can have a next trend day down. There are less chances that we can have a next trend day down, but I'm thinking that bounce is coming. Like we can see some kind of a bounce today. How I'm preparing my day is, if we go to 5-minute chart, I mean how I'm planning to trade this guy is, if I see after open, just after open, if I see any kind of a buying or any spike forming or any first bull leg forming, I'll buy that and I'll just sell it right away, and then wait for the right base. After we have the right base, we'll see either we get the bull trend or bear trend. So it's going to be a first few hours going to be a very confused trading today, as there are buying is still missing pre-market. Like the kind of bear action we saw yesterday, it would have given us at least pre-market bounce. So the bounce is missing, but still bounce is possible. We can see bounce here because yesterday where the buying was missing as well as the selling pressure was missing as well. So what I'm gonna look here is after the open, I might look for one bounce, or like if we have a kind of a sell-off and then get a bounce. So I'll be more lean towards buying today and scalping and seeing, like after a trading range price action, if we get any breakout and cash that breakout. I hope you all do good today. As of now, again very bearish. If we go to monthly chart, which is the most important candle of the month, in a day or two we are ending this candle here. Like, so this is wow. If you remember, guys, I mentioned we were about 197 198ish, that all the bullishness of the monthly candle can be taken. If we see more down in couple of days, this is going to be very very climatic for bear action, and bulls have already given up. So we can see we can as well see this low, 173 as well, and then consolidate around this area. Overall market is very bearish. The confidence is not there. The biotech is sinking down. Someone asked me what happened to biotech. Like yesterday, Hillary Clinton as well mentioned that once she going to be the president, she gonna do some kind of a pricing and all that, interference in the biotech and all that. I mean, right now the smart money is missing. So retailers, they are jumping, they're just riding a horse without any knowledge. So let's see what future holds for us. As of now, very bearish. How I will take my day, let's go to the 5-minute chart. What I will be doing is I will be, let me just do that. I will be looking to buy after the market, because we really don't want to do the other day over here. It was always trading above very strongly, and an open down and sell-off was so bad that we saw very bad lag. So right now, as of now, bounces will be there. That's my assumptions. I'm not trying to predict the market. I'm just trying to share my thoughts about the market. Again, it's not recommendation to buy or sell. I mean, I think we will see the bounce. I will catch that morning spike a few minutes and be out of it. Overall market is still bearish, but after the candle ends, this month candle ends, I might buy some calls for the month, so that because the bounce will be coming, earnings season is starting, like, so a lot much happening. But S&P, we saw that they are saying the S&P profit will be low this earning season and all that. So holding long positions, or is it a time for buying on dip? There are a few stocks which are at their support level, but we have seen that every bull trend has failed lately. So the best way to trade is take a swing trade towards the short side. See where the support is. We don't wanna squeezed in short covering or buying area, and at the support, have a good stop where like you can have a good moving area for your price. Tight stops will be resulting in losses. So right now, if we are taking swing trade, we need wide stops, so that even if there is a day when market just goes down and it bounces back, so at least we can catch something. As of now, I have tried last week, I have tried yesterday to take some swing trades, but I'm not taking no swing trades, as the market is not offering a good conviction in the swing trades. Like, I mean, it's very hard to understand the price action right now, but as of now, you can see we can see a bounce. As of now, you can see we can see a bounce here, and and hopefully we can see some kind, we can retest 202, 203, something like that. But monthly candle is closing very climatic, and on a 60-minute chart we are at the bottom of the trading range, and trading range price action is always is most of the time said, like, as strong the bullish price action looks, it's more likely to fail. And same here, as strong the bearish action is looking, it's likely to fail. So good luck everybody. I'm looking to catch the bounce in the morning. If we get there are high chances we can get a good bounce today, and let's see, and take trade one or two breakouts and done for the day. Good luck everybody. See you all tomorrow, and see you on my Twitter account very soon. Thanks.